What's that clicking sound when I turn my steering wheel? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So that can be a number of things. So the first thing you kind of got to determine is how high up into the column is it? Is it really close to the steering wheel? Is it down by your feet, or is it outside the car? So if it's up by the steering wheel, we have things like clock springs and horn buttons and things that can make noises when you turn. If it's a little farther down the column, we have joints. Some cars have electric steering. And so if I had to guess, you probably have a car with electric steering because they have a coupler down there that can go bad sometimes, and that can make a clicking noise. And then farther down, we have suspension linkages that hook up to it. And all of those things can make a clicking sound. So having someone diagnose it properly is really important, and I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about what your possibilities might be. So until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.